Check out this portable sealing machine. This is for mason jars. This is really cool. If you ever need to seal something in a mason jar and just make it last, this is gonna be the way to do it. So right out of the box, you can see the machine right here, and you can see how you're gonna put your mason jar in and you're gonna vacuum seal it. Now it is powered, so you can turn this thing on, but you also charge it with USB-C, and it does come with the USB-C cable. It also comes with a little bottle opener and a set of instructions on how to use it. They also come with a bunch of little tags that you can put around your jars too, so you can write down what they are, and that's pretty cool. So it's actually pretty simple. You're just gonna put the food or whatever you need to do in the mason jar, and you're gonna cover it with the iron lid. And what's great about it is it comes with 5 different smaller lids and 5 different bigger lids for bigger jars. Click the button and the electric mason jar sealer will start to vacuum. The display area will display the working time. 20 seconds or more is recommended. Then click the button to stop it, and it just displays your current battery. It is vacuum sealed now. Simple. And you have vacuum sealed your jar. It works. So if you have a wide mouth jar, you can actually just unlock this part, and then you can use this part with the wide mouth lids. So that gives you a lot of options. It's really good. It's quality made and it works. So I highly recommend it. And thanks for watching.